everyone, and welcome back to Little Books Great Stories. Today we're going to read Up to My Knees by Grace Lynn. Spring is coming, so it's time to read about plants. So make sure to subscribe to Little Books Great Stories if you haven't already, like the video, and let's start reading. Up to My Knees by Grace Lynn. It's spring! Time to garden. Dig a hole, drop in a seed. Add dirt, water, sun, and time. What will happen? Days pass. There's a sprout. It's as tall as my toe. More water, more sun, more days. The plant is growing. It's as high as my knees. Weeks pass. Now the plant is up to my waist. More time passes. See the plant? It reaches my shoulders. It's summer. Wow! The plant is a sunflower, and it's taller than I am. Thank you so much for listening to today's story here at Little Books Great Stories. Please come back again next week for more. Bye!